If you want Google to open every time you click a new tab in Firefox, this tutorial is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll show you the easiest way to set Google as your new tab page using a simple extension so your browser opens exactly the way you want it to. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-line menu. This is the main menu for Firefox, and from here you can access extra tools and settings. In the menu, find extensions and themes, then click it. This will take you to the add-ons area where you can install browser extensions. Now, click extensions if you are not already on that section. In the search box, type New Tab Override and press Enter. Firefox will show you results related to that extension. Click on New Tab Override from the search results so you can open its add-on page. On the extension page, click Add to Firefox. A permission window will appear asking to confirm the installation. This is normal because the extension needs permission to change what appears when you open a new tab. Go ahead and click Add to Confirm. Once the installation finishes, Firefox may open the extension settings automatically. Now, it's time to set Google as your new tab page. In the extension settings, look for the URL field. Click inside that box and type https www.google.com. Make sure the URL is entered correctly because this is the address Firefox will load whenever you open a new tab. In most cases, the extension saves your changes automatically, so you usually do not need to press a separate save button. After that, let's test it to make sure everything worked. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and T to open a new tab. If you're using a Mac, press Command and T instead. You can also click the plus sign for a new tab at the top of the browser. If everything is set up correctly, Firefox should now open Google in your new tab page. And that's it. You've successfully set Google as the new tab page in Firefox. This is a great way to make your browsing faster and more convenient, especially if you use Google often. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.